Hi, my name is Ruhina. I am a graduate student in Management Information Systems. In this video, we will explore the relationship between the security, privacy, and the Internet of Things. We will also discuss how the vulnerabilities in IoT devices have the potential to compromise user privacy and make them more susceptible to attacks and glitches. By now, you may have heard the term Internet of Things. Sounds interesting, but what does the Internet of Things actually mean? IoT is an evolution of embedded applications that are being connected to the Internet, integrating greater compute capabilities and using data analytics to extract meaningful information. In the IoT network, billions of devices will be connected to the Internet and they connect with each other. They can become an intelligent system of systems. When these intelligent devices and system of systems share data over the cloud and analyze it, they can transform our businesses and our lives in countless ways. As the IoT expands, it will become easier to launch an attack. The threats from an attack of IoT devices are real. The very effective IoT worms, DDoS, and denial of sleep and voice and sound attacks were possible due to unsecure devices that talk with one another, collectively creating a botnet.
Howdy, my name is Sumit and I'm a graduate student in Main Business School. I will talk about IoT vulnerabilities in my slides. IoT devices present in the market are highly vulnerable. 90% of these devices collect personal information either from device or cloud. 70% of these are using unencrypted network services. 80% of them doesn't have good password protection, and 6 out of 10 are vulnerable to issues like excessive and Android repairing attack. There are many attack vectors we need to worry about with IoT devices. In this presentation, we'll consider different areas of IoT vulnerabilities identified by OWASP. The first one is insecure web interface. Many of these devices have a built-in web server that hosts a web application for managing the device. A single vulnerability can be exploited remotely as they all are connected together. The second one is ineffective authentication. In consumer market, convenience always trumps security. Many devices are able to operate with their default settings that are insecure. Configuring security is treated as a friction in the user's process. The third one is insecure web services. IoT devices may have built-in services for diagnostics and testings. They may even have debugging services as well. If these are on open, insecure, or vulnerable ports, they are potential security holes. These maintenance services are probably lightly tested and easily exploitable. Many IoT devices connect to the cloud, and if the cloud interface has poor security, it will result in major exploitation. Additionally, IoT devices can be controlled using mobile interfaces, managing which is another burden for manufacturers. Even if a user knows about security and follows it, there are very few devices in the market that provide enhanced security features. Usually, the firmware of IoT devices are poorly written, and users don't have a clue how to patch them or what are the requirements of patching. Additionally, information on the devices are not encrypted, and people have access to those data. It raises the privacy concern and how the devices are storing the data.
Let's consider this worst-case scenario where hackers can hijack and crash an IoT-enabled car. Hey there, my name is Anup. I'm also a graduate student in Management Information Systems, and I'll help safeguard your IoT devices. I'll be showing you steps on how to secure your IoT devices. Just because you have a smart fridge or a smart microwave, it doesn't mean you have to connect them to the network when you do not have to. Also, create a separate network. Creating most effective and secure password policies is also another important step. You can choose strong passwords and different passwords for each device. UNP protocols are vulnerable, making them an easy target to hackers. You should also realize that device firmware can be insecure. Some devices are easily compromised because updates can be applied without any user authentication. Purchase devices that have secure firmware update policies. Make sure you have the latest firmware.
Hi guys, thank you for watching our video on IoT security. We believe you have learned IoT vulnerabilities and our suggestions would help you in securing your IoT devices.
Created using Powtoon.